Hi, welcome. My name is Hassan, Has to Fix. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 network, how to connect the NTP type. As you guys can see, my one failed. You guys can see what you need to do is go to your router or your modem and you have to log in from there. Get a laptop and log in from there. The IP address should be there and the username and the password should be there. Once you do that, I'm trying to log in. I'll show you now. I'm going to go at the back end, my modem, using the IP address they provided at the back. What you need to do is go to, as you guys can see, my one failed. Once you log in, your router, go to network security. Once you go to network security, then go to firmware level. And at the moment mine is restrict, then go to standard. Once you go to standard, then save it. Once you save it, and then go back to your PS4 and do the test the internet connection, and this should go through. If you guys find this helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up and leave any comments if it helped you guys, or if you need any help, let me know. As you guys can see, now it's gonna come up. There you go, guys. You can see type 2. I'm using a wireless connection. Now we're just checking the connection speed. But if you guys find this helpful, again, let me know. Leave any comments and give me thumbs up. Thank you.